friends, welcome back to my channel Abhi's Beauty Hack. It's Abhi here. Recently I found that about 94% of the viewers are not subscribing to my channel. I request you all to subscribe, only then you can receive notifications of all my videos whenever I post it, which is beneficial for both you as well as me. So yeah, without wasting much time, let's get into today's video. So friends, in today's video I'm going to give a review about Berry Body Butter from Studio West. Many of us might have visited West Side, which is one of the greatest sectors of Tata products. Recently they have launched beauty products termed Studio West. There are a wide range of beauty products like body lotion, shower gel, and more cosmetics also. They include the Studio West includes both cosmetics as well as skincare products. So this is one among them. It is a body butter. This is 200-gram package of body butter. It costs around 400 rupees. You can purchase this exclusively in their website as well as in their West Side stores. It is available in all West Side stores. So 200 grams is about 499 rupees. I feel it quite worth spending it because I love the product very much. So this is like cute. You also can find the 100 grams package of this, which will be around 200 rupees or something, but I don't know. While I was purchasing this, I had no review about the product. I hadn't seen any review, so I thought of, okay, let me try this even without the review. So I just bought it directly. So the product states that get up or go to bed with Berry Body Butter. You can use it as soon as you take bath in the morning, or you can use this when you go to bed for sleeping. Okay, so they have mentioned how to use it, and they have given the complete ingredients list in the description, date of manufacture and something. Yeah, and I would recommend you to purchase it directly from the West Side stores because you may get fairly discounted. You can get this at a fairly discounted price rather than the website, I guess. So you can, whichever you prefer, you can go purchase it. So this is a cute packaging of it. Okay, this is quite big, so you can use it for months. So it has an open close lid type. So the product is cream like texture and it is white in color. It is bright white in color. So this is the consistency of the product. It is quite thick. Even in this hot Chennai weather, the product is thick. Okay, it is so dense, but at the same time it is it gives so much of nourishment to your skin. It is a bit difficult to massage it to your skin because of the dense consistency, as you could see. But once applied, the product really lasts for about 5 to 6 hours, guys, which is the best product I have ever used for my dry skin, extraordinary dry skin. Okay, the fragrance of the product is just like that of a berry, a ripe berry taken plucked right from the plant. So that is how the fragrance is. You will not believe that, or you may think that I'm exaggerating, but only on using this product I started to love berries. I started to eat berries only by by this fragrance. It is so soothing and it is amazing, the fragrance, and it lasts for hours and whatnot. What you need more than this? A good product which lasts, or which gives nourishment to your skin, which lasts for more than a month. Not like a month, it actually lasts you for more than 2 months, of course, because a very little product is more than enough to spread all over your body. It is suitable to use in all parts of the body except the intimate areas. Okay, you can actually get your hands on this product. It is quite nice. If you want a good travel friendly package, you can go for the 100 grams package of the same. They also have a wide range of lotions which you can also try. If you are a berry lover like me, or if you like the berry thing, you can actually purchase this. This is nice actually. I'm using this for I bought this in the last previous lockdown, so I just kept it aside, not using this because I had many other things to use. And now recently I'm using this for about a month and I'm just absolutely loving this. This is what super dry skin guys actually need. Even though it is quite pricey, it is worth spending it, I guess. I have nothing, that is no disadvantages I could feel except the way of application. And I would also feel that the body lotion whichever I use, it should contain any SPF. I don't think so this contains any SPF, because whenever I go out in the sun, my skin actually gets tanned so easily. So that is one of the greatest disadvantage. But mostly body lotions or body butter like this, they don't contain SPF, so that is not a problem. So mostly I use this only on the night time. It actually gives a great heal to your body. Since you're not going out, it helps, the product actually helps your skin to to the maximum. Your skin absorbs it to the maximum of this product. So yeah, this is one of the good products from Studio West, and I would really love to try many variants from Studio West. So I will also try and make a video of the same. And if you have any doubts regarding the product, for sure you can ask me. I will feel happy to reply, because I don't have anything in mind rather than the texture and things right now. If you have any queries, for sure you can put it down. I would be happy to reply you. Okay, then don't forget to subscribe my channel, only then you will get my videos whenever I post it. Please like the video if you like it, and share with your friends who wants to try new products like this. And yeah, we'll meet you in the next video. Until then, it's bye from Abhi. Bye.